We offer a systematic approach to fall protection. This is not just an empty advertising promise, but the guiding principle behind the work of each and every employee. We develop fall arrest solutions which you can rely on, based on our rock-solid know-how and fresh ideas, combined with a generous helping of passion. Since founding the company in 2003, we have been continually working to improve ourselves and our products. Today, over 100 employees use ultra-modern machinery and equipment to produce fall protection products that define the state of the art. Our anchorage systems protect individuals from falling throughout a wide range of different activities, on roofs and facades, in large halls and many industrial construction and event locations, on machines and craneways, basically anywhere where taking a wrong step can lead to a fall, with disastrous consequences. The risks are manifold, and we offer a broad portfolio of technically sophisticated solutions, which we have developed ourselves and which are continually being optimized to combat them. At our company, the wheels simply never stop turning. The ongoing optimization process in our development, production and logistics divisions at our headquarters in the Lower Rhine region of Germany reflects our drive to always be that little bit better. Not only do we develop our own products and put a lot of effort into their production, we are also advancing step by step to achieving even better quality levels. This is why we built one of the most modern drop towers around to put all our anchorage devices through a series of really rigorous tests. We started off as a family concern, and we still are one big family. This is true not only for company founders Ludwig and Ingrid Beckers, their son Stefan and daughter Ilona, but also applies to over 100 colleagues who are the very heart and soul of ABS safety. Our customers also experience the friendly and professional atmosphere we generate on the phone, whenever we provide on-site service and during our numerous training and advanced training workshops, which can be either held at our company or on your own premises. We see professional fall protection not just as a product, but as a comprehensive, all-inclusive service package. And that is exactly what we mean by taking a systematic approach to fall protection.